just finished an amazing healing session. Love doing virtual healing sessions. How are you doing today? Need to have a little of my tea. So I thought today, didn't know if you saw my story, I'm going to do a little blood flow facial education. So I, of course, I love wearing makeup, but I don't wear makeup unless I, choose to, have to. I don't wear makeup daily by any means, especially if I'm at home and doing my things. And I mean, I do for meetings and certain filming and certain things like that. But, we should always just remember, be as natural as we can so that our pores don't get clogged up when they don't have to. Being out in the world and being pollution, our skin is our largest organ in our body. So we have tiny little pores all over our body. So imagine our pores are just breathing or not breathing if they are clogged. Okay. So today I thought that one thing I'd teach you is something that maybe you already do, or that if you don't do, that maybe I could help you with. So I brought a couple tools. This is my, in my little story that I did earlier, do you know what this is? Maybe when you've gone to have a facial, or maybe you have one. Some people even have their own little special, tiny little refrigerators that sanitizes, and they keep it in their bathroom. I just put it back. I cleanse it and sanitize it, and then I put it back in the freezer. It has its own special bowl with its special lid. So its friends on the inside is the bigger version. You can get all of this on Amazon. And also somebody asked me yesterday, which I need to respond on that text, on that message about where to get these bells. You can get these bells. You can get them on Amazon, but any a lot of metaphysical stores have them. But if you just put in meditation bells, they'll come up. If you put in a face ice roller, you'll get anything like this. Or I like to shop at TJ Maxx and Marshalls and Home Goods, and they have all of this in their beauty section as well. So this is an onyx one, but there's jade and lavender, and you can get real specific and have every different kind. So you can, it's just like using certain stones. I have a lot of my crystals over there. So wide a face roll, it's for good circulation, it's for collagen, it's for, help with those wrinkles, it's for inflammation, muscle pain, TMJ pain. So I like to do it, well, if you have headaches, and then I like to do it around, the whole décolleté, my neck, as we age, it's good to do certain things. I also, many of us have neck things and shoulder from being forward. So we end up, there's a hump, it's called the Dowager's hump, that a lot of people will get, and a lot of inflammation will rise in there. So the bigger one is actually really good, because I like to start there. Let me see if I can go around here. So my pinched nerve in here, my neck issues, really, really loves this. And then, depending on your flexibility, you can go down further, but you can also get around to the back of your shoulders. If you play sports or tennis or throw a ball, or just, you're on the, doing a lot of forward stuff. If you've had any surgeries, icing is really good. And this is a good temperature of ice. So, it's also good for, to help with that inflammation. It helps tone your skin. So I've got some old shoulder injury that goes with that pinched nerve when I landed on my head in a four-wheeling accident 20 years ago. So it's still, sometimes that's why they say it's not what you've done today. It's what you do, earlier in life, because it starts catching up with you. So these are all of our breathing muscles right here, right above your clavicle. Maybe you can gently put your fingers in here, and if you can't, if your fingers aren't going in, it's a really good sign how tight you are, and you're really not breathing. So I can go in here, but it starts getting a little tight in here. Follow that muscle around, and it goes to the back of, they all go around to the back of the neck. So I thought I'd also give you a good exercise. So here's where a lot of people are, very forward, typing. You see me? Typing, right? So where you can up, back, down, and then drop those, and make sure you're typing at the correct level. So you might need to raise your seat, or go lower, but you need to, see if I can do that. But you need to have that 90-degree angle, so then your shoulder relaxes, okay? So you can always do that stretch up, squeeze as if you're holding a egg in between your shoulder blades, and then go back down. Now, to put your neck in place, you're gonna do the the old duck exercise. So you're gonna put it back and forward, back and forward. What I like to do is I like to hold my chin, but I also like to hold my neck back here, if you have that in you, so that I can feel, where I can feel it going back into my spine. So I'll do it this way. Back and forward, back and forward, back. So I'm also getting a stretch at the same time. And if you're not able to do here, maybe you can just be right here. You can also use a doorway and let the doorway help you. And then you can do your exercise this way. So you're finding some support. Your hand can be on the wall, the doorway, and then you're resetting your neck back in, okay? So our whole shoulders, neck, jaw, face, this is what's holding your expression, your face. So if you've had to be on a lot, or if you do a lot of expression, so, of course you want to do both sides. I'm going to do the fast version. I don't want to leave it out. I'll do it again in a little while. So I make sure, don't hyper to your neck, but, make sure you really get underneath your neck, get both sides, get your whole décolleté. Yeah, that's nice. All right, so then when it gets up to here, I'm going to go back to there. I'm going to take this one off because that's been all over my back and such, right? So I have that says our 5 minutes, but put a new one on. Same thing as this one. Now I'm going to go into doing all of my jaws. That feels so good now. It's fresh. It's the other one wasn't as cold anymore. Get all into those jaws where it really, we're talking, we're chewing, we're grinding, we're dreaming. So get both jaws real well. Get up into your forehead. And remember, you want to try to always go up and out, up and around, up and out, not necessarily down. But with this, it's a gentle back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. It's also good if you have puffy eyes or dark circles under your eyes. Get all under there. I like to really get the nose, my hair, really get your lips. You can puff your lips out. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Really get that really nice So then I like to take the smaller tool, and there's two different sizes, bigger, smaller. So the smaller one, you can really get underneath this, your eyes, where it holds inflammation. Remember, there's a drain. There's a little drain here as well. It's also great to get your nose. Our nose holds a lot. Get that other side, get underneath that eye. Our sinuses, close your eyes, get that top ridge of your eyeball, of your eyelid, not your eyeball, your eyelid. Come into your third eye, get over into that other eyelid. And circle back around underneath, around. You know, make sure you get each side around 5 times. Giving you a little bit of the faster version, you go slower. Bigger side, switch, get over underneath those eyes again, and then get into your sinuses, you know, above, you know, underneath your eyes, cheekbone. Get both sides. You know, our sinuses can get full. I lost my neti pot on one of my travels, so I need to order a new neti pot today. N-E-T-I. If you don't know what a neti pot is, I'll do one when I get mine in, but you know what it is, or order one. It's good to clear out the sinuses. You can again switch aside, get underneath, get on top of that top lip, nose. So at this point, pretty much all my cooling stuff is complete. I like to do it in the morning and evening, but at least make sure once a day. And then whatever brand you like, it doesn't matter. Get yourself some, you know, delicious rose water, or make your own. And then, and yes, you gentlemen as well. And then spray your face, all those rose petals of love. Maybe get the back of your heart. Receive. This is very nurturing. Your skin will be very happy. Your pores will be very happy to be filled with, you know, all the essence of rose, love. The rose is you know, the rose is creator. So let's just take our last minute together and breathe. I don't know where it is. It's okay. And breathe some breaths of freshness for you. Coolness, freshness, aliveness. So if you need a pick-me-up, that's also a great thing to do for your face. It brings back some aliveness. Even you can keep a little rose water spray in your bag, and your man purse, your female purse, your non-gender purse, backpack, and your lunchbox, and keep it in I like the lunchbox because then you can keep it cool. And then you can, you know, throughout the day, give yourself some sprays. You can even change up the essential oil, but make sure it's right according to your skin and it doesn't burn your eyes. So I like the rose water. It's very safe, and it's just that, it's like smelling a bouquet of roses, and it just, a bouquet of what roses just went right into your pores. So the water, the hydration, the circulation with the coolness of the, you know, our little tools, our modalities. And you can always, don't even need that. You can get a piece of ice and put it in a paper towel, a baggie, and rub the ice around, and rub it all around the same. So, you know, don't say that, oh, I can't afford that, I don't have that. Go get an ice cube, and, you know, go for it. So, well, allow your pores to breathe a breath of love. Exhale out all that no longer really, all that you no longer need, so that you can receive breath of fresh air wherever you are, no matter where you are. You can call in the water, the smell, the coolness. You don't actually have to have the tool. You can come back to the remembrance through your breath. A cooling breath as you put your tongue on your rooftop of your mouth, or your tongue is on the roof. And that's a cooling breath. If you can, you can change your temperature. Another way you can change your temperature is right on your temples. So imagine you can do your tongue on your roof, and you can do your temples, and whether you need to cool down or heat up. And then you can always give yourself a little massage above your lip, below your lip, and that'll help with anxiety and ground you. So thanks for being on this breathing journey with me today, through your pores, your skin, your coolingness, your bouquet of roses, that no matter where you are love, you're a light, and every breath, every thought, every second, every minute, every hour, every day, in every way. Choose the higher vibration of you. And I'll see you tomorrow. Until then, have a great day.